buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you what you can do if your Motorola Moto G14 doesn't charge anymore. And the first thing I have for you is that you go ahead and check your cable with another device, because maybe your cable is broken, and if the other device isn't charging as well, then well, your cable might be broken. While you're at your cable, you can go ahead and check that this part of your cable is clean. Make sure that this part of your phone is clean, because sometimes dirt can stop your phone from charging. The next thing you want to do is you want to restart your phone, and for that you need to press the volume up and the volume down button. Keep pressing until we get this menu here, and now we can say power and restart. So now it's restarting. Now we need to unlock our SIM card again, and then we're back in the phone, and hopefully your phone charges now. If that still doesn't work, you can go ahead and look for a software update. For that we need to go to our settings and go all the way down to system updates, and we have no updates applied. We can check for updates here, and we do not have an update available. If you have an update available, go ahead and install it, so that might fix some bugs in the background, and hopefully after that your phone is charging again. And the fourth tip I have for you is that you go ahead and make a forced reboot. So for that we need to press the power on and off button, keep pressing, and now it's restarting. And hopefully your phone is charging now again. If that still doesn't work, you might have a hardware problem, and you should go get that fixed so you can use your phone. So that were the tips I have for you. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.